Hello and welcome! Today, we'll explore how social media can transform your business. You'll learn its role in promoting products and services and how to create policies and plans that support your business goals. Learning outcome. Understand the importance of using social media in a business environment. Social media is vital for advertising and e-commerce. Platforms like Facebook and Twitter offer analytics for insights. Businesses use social media to build brands and resolve issues. It helps in connecting to global markets and establishing reputation. Effective use can improve customer support and recruitment. Influencers like bloggers and TV personalities shape opinions. Content varies from images to quizzes, matching audience needs. Popularity and cultural attitudes impact social media use. Accessibility and legislation are important considerations. Cyberbullying and health issues are potential risks. TikTok's rise has changed marketing dynamics. Its algorithm allows content to reach wider audiences. Short-form videos are now dominant. Stories create urgency and boost engagement. Authentic and personal content connects better with audiences. Social commerce integrates shopping into social platforms. This reduces friction in the buying process. Features like product tagging simplify purchases. Users can shop without leaving the platform. This seamless experience can increase conversion rates. Micro and nano influencers offer higher engagement. They have dedicated communities. Brands should align with influencers who share their values. Authenticity and trust are key to successful collaborations. Effective promotions rely on genuine connections. Augmented reality is popular for virtual try-ons. It boosts confidence in purchases. Virtual reality offers immersive shopping experiences. Brands use VR for virtual store tours. These technologies enhance customer interaction. Interactive content like quizzes boosts engagement. Direct messaging is used for personalized sales. Real-time customer interactions are possible. Audience insights are gathered through engagement. Businesses can refine strategies based on feedback. Facebook offers broad reach and niche targeting. Instagram focuses on visuals and shoppable posts. LinkedIn is ideal for B2B marketing and thought leadership. Twitter excels in real-time conversations. Each platform offers unique tools for engagement. TikTok offers organic reach through its algorithm. Pinterest influences purchase decisions effectively. Snapchat uses AR for engaging ads. Clubhouse provides authentic audio conversations. Each platform caters to specific audience needs. Google Analytics tracks social media traffic. Hootsuite monitors post success and engagement. Surveys and polls gather direct audience feedback. Competitor monitoring reveals social strategies. Social listening tracks brand mentions across platforms. Engaging content boosts brand visibility. It fosters genuine relationships with audiences. Audience participation can lead to viral moments. Engaged users are more likely to convert. Feedback from interactions can refine strategies. Negative feedback can become PR crises. Privacy concerns arise from data breaches. Inauthentic engagement is penalized by algorithms. Content misinterpretation can harm brand image. Overengagement leads to burnout for both brands and audiences. Relying on a single platform is risky. Algorithm changes can affect engagement. Platforms may shut down or lose users. Legal issues include copyright and false advertising. Compliance with regulations is crucial. Surveys reveal preferred platforms and content. Competitor analysis provides strategic insights. Social listening tracks industry conversations. Understanding audience needs refines marketing efforts. Continuous research is vital for success. In conclusion, social media is a powerful catalyst for business growth. By engaging authentically and continuously refining strategies, businesses can achieve meaningful success. Staying informed and responsive is key to unlocking the full potential of these platforms. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via WhatsApp at 0748-436-1688. We look forward to seeing you at the next session. Thank you for your attention.